Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use prenatal vitamins. These specialized supplements are designed to provide essential nutrients that are crucial for both you and your developing baby. They help fill any nutritional gaps in your diet, ensuring a healthy foundation from conception through breastfeeding. Understanding their purpose is the first step toward a beneficial regimen. Let's delve into the powerhouse nutrients. Folic acid is paramount, helping to prevent neural tube defects that can affect the brain and spine. Iron is vital for carrying oxygen and preventing anemia, a common concern during pregnancy. Calcium and vitamin D work together to build strong bones for your baby and maintain your bone health. Timing is key for maximum benefit. Ideally, begin taking your prenatal vitamin at least 1 month before you plan to conceive. Continue this daily routine throughout your entire pregnancy and even while breastfeeding. Taking it with a meal can help reduce any stomach upset and enhance nutrient absorption. Consistency is truly important here. Remember, your healthcare provider is your best resource. Always discuss your prenatal vitamin choice with them, especially if you have specific dietary needs or health conditions. Ensure your vitamin contains at least 400 micrograms of folic acid. Never exceed the recommended dosage without professional guidance, as too much of certain nutrients can be harmful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.